Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our effort. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to contact our prospects on Facebook. Not only on Facebook, on all social media platforms. So if you go to Google like this, you are going to search. If you are into dental, you are targeting the dentist and the dental care. You are going to write dental care, for example, in quotes, important, in quotes. Now write site, now write Facebook, facebook.com, enter. You can see it's going to list all the dental care on Facebook for you. So you just be opening them one by one like this. When you open this one, you can see dental care Baskin Ridge. So this is their address, their phone number, their email address, website. Just copy everything like this. Copy it. You should have make a list like this, a sheet like this. Just paste the email. You paste the email, you copy their website, everything, just paste it there. So that's how you do. So when you do this one, you can go to the next one. You open it. You can see child font dental care. Look at their details here. Everything is here. So that's how to get that. And also, after using the dental care, you can also go to ChatGPT and say, I want to target the dental care, the dentist. So what are the keywords I can use to find them on Google? So it's going to give you more keywords, because you can also try dentist. Some people might say they are dentist. You can see dentist. So you can use dentist to get some other people. You can use other keywords too that work for you, depending on your niche. So after doing that on Facebook, you can also do for Instagram. Just say instagram.com. So you can see a lot of dentists also on Instagram. So you can get them. You can do for TikTok, for Twitter, for LinkedIn, for so many platforms, all the social media platforms. So you just try to get them here. You are going to get thousands. So when you get them, how do you now contact these people? So I will advise you use Loom to contact them. So you are going to make a Loom for them using their website or using their Facebook or Instagram page. So just craft your message or the way we have done before and make the Loom and send the Loom to them. If you want to send the Loom to them, let's assume I want to send the Loom to these people. If I want to send the Loom to these people, what I'm going to do is that I will click on message. So I will now send the message to them here. I mentioned their name. I made this Loom for you. I send it to them. But when I send it to them here, they might not be able to see the message because it's going to go to their request folder. They might not be able to see it. So what I'm going to do to make them to see it is that I will go to their recent post. I'm going to like maybe 3 of them. So when I like 3 of them, the most recent one, I'm not going to comment, I sent a message to you in the DM. It is likely for you to be in your request folder. Kindly check it. So you're going to send that to them. So you can send it to them here again and say, okay, I made this Loom for you. So because if they don't see this, or they are not interested in going to the request folder to see it, they are going to see the actual Loom and they are going to click on it. So this is how to get in touch with them, either Facebook or Instagram or any other platform you want to contact them. This is how you are going to contact them. Another way is that when you come to Facebook itself, you can search dental care. Dental care. It's going to show a lot of dental care. So one thing you can do is that when you search dental care on Facebook, you can put the location. You can say New York. You can be doing it one by one. One city to the other. Or one state in the US to the other. Dental care New York. So it's going to bring a lot of dental care. You can see under this page, just click on see all. Quality dental care of New York. You can see a lot of them. So you can also get them from this place too. So you are going to you can see their website, their phone number. From their website, you can get their email address and things like that. So you can also send them emails if you like. So anyone, just try to contact a lot of people and get people to know what you are doing. They are going to also reply, and you are going to get your clients, inshallah. So this is how to get clients on social media platforms, how to get them through Google or from the platform itself, and how to contact them. Make sure you are using Loom. It's the best. May Almighty Allah put back in our face. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.